What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back finally. We have the extension on the workshop that we need to sort of talk about, and I'll show some photos in a minute. And we've finally been able to get the MX5 in the workshop, as you can see to my left. It's up on axle stands, and I've just started cutting some of the rust out. There's a fair bit, but we will cover that. Yeah, so stick around because there's going to be some more videos to come, and I'll take you through some of the bits step by step, and hopefully that can help you if you have an MX5, and obviously literally all of them need welding work. So yeah, stick around and hope you enjoy. One quick thing to mention I didn't say is I still do have the Mini. I just haven't really done anything with it. I still enjoy taking it out every once in a while, but there will be more videos to come of that. Now I'm sort of in that position now where I can just go all out with it, really. So yeah, we'll have some more videos of that coming at some point. So the Monza is in the workshop. As you can see, I've already sort of started taking bits off. I'll come round to these quarters. I've already started grinding and cutting. I'll just get a light. As you can see, the arches are gone. They were all filler. I've just sort of broken it all off. It's all underneath down there. There's definitely some holes in here. So, and it comes all the way to the back of the arch as well. So we have to do inners and outers, and then definitely sill work as well. There's definitely some holes. I'll go further back, maybe floor to sill. It's the same, both sides. So yeah, the same this side. You can see I cut a little bit of the arch out just to see how bad it was before I order the outer panels. But we'll be making the innards. So yeah, you can see I've just started drilling out spot welds for the sill end plate. It's not too bad. I mean, the rust doesn't go too far in, so I just have to do the edges. Bit there that goes into the car. Looking on this package, similar story to the other side. Small little hole goes into the boot area, but mostly this whole panel I think will clean up all right. Mostly fine sort of on the other side. So it's going to be fairly straightforward, just going to take a while. So if you enjoyed today's video, I know it's only a quick short one, but just a bit of an update. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, and there'll be more to come. See you then.